Hey, how's it going out there? It is a beautiful fall day here in the Ozarks. So, nice day to be out and enjoying the perfect fall weather that we've been having. Enjoy some of the, not really a good shot of it, but trees are starting to change colors. Not this type, but we are getting some beautiful fall colors right now. So a great time to get out there. But today what I wanted to share with you is my new air compressor. So I purchased a Viair 88p air compressor. Pretty excited about it. In the past I've kind of had those, not so much issues, but I haven't aired down because of airing up. I need to figure out how to air up tires, how to air down tires, because this system's not going to work. I had to drive like 10 miles on hardball just to get here. Not terrible, but not great. So onboard air deflators, need to figure something out there. Now I've got something that legitimately can air up my tires. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you what comes in the box so you can see, give you some first impressions and kind of show you how it works. Let's get after that. So it's the Viair 88p portable compressor. Boom. All right, get rid of that. And there it is, and it comes with the, you can see, it comes with a bag and all that good stuff to keep it in. I like that. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, yeah, I like that bag. That is nice bag. All right, so let's see what we got in here. All right. Hose has got some pretty decent length to it, looks like. We'll screw in. So that's kind of nice. Then you got your you got your alligator clamps there. We've got, what we got here? So yeah, if you want to air up a air mattress, maybe, I don't know, swimming pool. Oh yeah, there you go. Whoop. So like I say, it comes with a little deal to air up your basketballs, soccer balls, footballs, baseballs. You don't air up baseballs. You know what I'm saying. So then you got your gauge. If you can see that, it's kind of bright. So there we go. So you got your gauge there. So if you're looking at flow rates, max run time. Tell you what, I dig this bag for carrying it. I'm pretty excited about this little bad boy. We'll see how it works. Alright, so here we are. Got the air compressor in a bag. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up and get to airing up some tires here. So, one thing I'll say, which I did a terrible job of packing this last time, bag is tight, for sure. Oh, let me pop this hood. Alright, so gotta have our hood popped because obviously this is the kind that of compressor that has the gator clamps. So we're gonna clamp that onto our battery terminals first. But yeah, that bag is pretty tight, not terrible, but I don't know, it's kind of like tense. You always wish they'd give you just a little bit more bag to put your stuff in. So yeah, let's get these gator clamps hooked up. So, like most, it's pretty simple, color coordinated. There we go, a little power to power and ground to ground. So now that we're hooked up, we're gonna go ahead and get this hose undone. So really I wanted this video to be more of a first impressions, you know, first time use. I wanted you guys to see, you know, me using it for the first time, just so you had an idea what it was like when you just pull it out and just use it, which it's not that it's that tough, but you know, that's kind of was the goal. But life happens, and I've used this thing several times already. Whoop. I've aired up trailer tire that had gone flat. I've had to air up my wife's tires because, you know, nails don't do good on tires. So I've actually used it several times, and I'll say I've been impressed every time. It's not too loud. It's not, you know, it's not so loud that it just drives you nuts. The hose is long enough that, you know, you can reach all four tires pretty stinking easily. You know, I mean, it's plenty of hose. You could help a buddy out and air up their tires. You know, this hose plenty long. If there's a concern that I'd have about it, just, you know, as of right now, it would be that it gets kind of hot. So as you can see there, it's showing that I'm at about just under 20, so probably about 19, 18 psi. So that's where we're starting from. I air my tires up to 36 when I'm running them on the road. So we're all hooked up. You know, we've got our power, and you can tell your power's on by, oh, there's a little LED light. I don't know if you can see it real well. The LED light's on right here, so you know you got a good connection to your battery terminals. Now, like I say, we're about 18 psi. We're screwed in here, ready to go. So let's see how long it'll take to get this up to 36 psi. So yeah, once you're ready, all hooked up, you just flip the old on. So let's time this though. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Alright, there we go. 36 psi. I hope you can read that because, yeah, it's kind of bright there. But 36 psi. So, like I say, so that's pretty hot right there. Like I say, my only concern is burning that up. But, you know, all in all, no complaints. You know, no complaints. Only complaint, well, no complaints, only complaint. Only complaint would just be the heat, you know, just a concern of that. But I don't think that's going to be too big a deal. I know I've seen, you know, people do something like buy two of them, which, what was the price? I think it was like 60 bucks. Not bad. So yeah, it gets a little hot, but not real concerned about it. I mean, I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be airing all four tires up, boom, boom, boom. So, you know, speaking of which, if you want to see more videos, if you want to see this thing used a little bit more, you know, I'll be using it on the trails, and I'll be using it in future videos when we go out and we explore, hit some trails, do some camping, you know, just have a good time. So if you're interested in that, hit that subscribe button. You know, you can click the like button if you like this video, if it's helpful, if it's useful. If not, then, you know, hit that thumbs down. But I'll put a link in the description for this Viair air compressor. Well, I think that's all I got on this Viair compressor. So far, so good. We'll We'll see how it goes. See you in the next one.